Hi, I'm Cheryl Thornton of Storyvalues. I'm here to talk to you of the importance of storytelling. There's tons of research about the importance of reading books to children, but did you know that storytelling is an important skill as well? Storytelling gives children a different experience. They learn to listen, they learn creative development, they learn communication skills, and mindfulness. Storytelling is all about the spoken word. There's no book between the teller and the listener, so that means children have to create their own images of what they're hearing in the narrative. The listener also feels seen, because when you're telling a story, you're looking right at the listeners, and this helps the child feel that they're part of the story. Stories are engaging. Everyone loves listening to a well-told story. And stories, through the spoken word, are very believable. And stories are unforgettable. So I encourage you to find ways to use storytelling in your family routines. Now, this can be as simple as retelling a book that you've read, asking questions like, what was your favorite part? What did you think about this character? Or, I really liked when this happened. Talking about a story like that is the beginnings of storytelling. You can also talk about your real life. You can say, tell me the story of your day today, or let me tell you the story of what happened to me today. You can also talk about your childhood. I remember when I was a child, this was my favorite thing. So telling stories about your real lives are important as well. So I encourage you to use storytelling in your family routines. See you next time.